Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make kefir at home, updated. Start by placing 1 to 2 tablespoons of kefir grains into a clean jar, then add 1 quart of milk and stir gently. Cover with a breathable lid and leave at room temperature for about 24 hours, checking for tang and slight fizziness. Once it reaches the flavor you like, strain and refrigerate the finished kefir to slow fermentation. When choosing milk, whole milk gives creamier kefir and low fat makes it lighter, so pick what you enjoy. Non-dairy options can work, but often need an added spoon of sugar or longer time to feed the grains. Use pasteurized milk and avoid ultra-pasteurized types to keep grains healthy. Keep the milk at room temperature before adding grains to prevent shocking the culture and promote steady fermentation. Once you strain the grains, you can add fruit, honey, or vanilla for flavor, and then chill the kefir before drinking. A second fermentation in a sealed bottle for 12 to 24 hours will boost carbonation and develop deeper flavors. Refrigerate the finished kefir for up to 2 weeks, though it tastes best within 7 days. Always use clean utensils and keep grains in fresh milk between batches to maintain vitality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.